Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. This is Sorbus Sunshine. Now, Sorbus Sunshine is a wonderful tree, medium-sized tree. It's got white flowers in spring, laden in white flowers in spring, adored by bees and pollinators. It's got yellow berries in autumn as well, and then a fantastic red autumn leaf. Totally hardy tree. It's perfect for an avenue situation. So you want a hardy tree on an avenue. You want a tree left and right of an entrance, just to frame an entrance going in, or even left and right of your house, just to frame a house sitting in the middle. It's a wonderful tree because you've got colour both in spring and again in autumn. So white flowers in spring, yellow berries in autumn. Now this one will take a couple of years to settle down to having its yellow berries, and then you've got the red leaf starting around end of August, early September, and creeping into November. But really colourful and a hardy, easy to manage tree even on exposed sites. This is the time of year to plant them, so you just plant them level the same depth as they are in the pot, so no deeper than that. Decent sized planting hole. Try planting fertilizer at the bottom. Don't forget you need a stake in there as well, and a little bit of swell well compost underneath and back in, and just plant them exactly level, the same level as they are in the pot, and you'll have a fine tree in your garden for generations to come. So white flowers, yellow berries, and wonderful autumn leaf. Bye for now. Enjoy your garden.